Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Photsios, and today we're standing in front of one of the nicest 36th Street rods I've ever seen in my life. And it drives like one too. This is an all-steel body, complete resto mod vehicle. Come on up, let's take a look at this one. Under the hood, we have a beautiful fuel-injected ZZ4 crate motor. This whole car has about 2,200 miles on it since the restoration. That ran about over $80,000. Done professionally. It's got air conditioning, power front disc brakes. Just an absolute beauty. 350 turbo transmission, 308 gear ratio in the back. This is fully customized, and like I said, it's one of the nicest restorations you're ever going to see. The paint is a beautiful black cherry that absolutely looks like you're looking in a mirror. You can comb your hair in this car. It's got American torque thrust wheels on it. She's a beauty. And it drives just as good as it looks. She's a real grocery getter with this trunk. It was professionally restored in California. Inside we have a full custom interior, all leather, just unbelievable. The carpet's actually a Woolrich carpet. It's like something they put in the Rolls Royces. It's got a complete audio system with hidden speakers, power windows, tilt wheel, full gauge package, air conditioning, vintage air, vintage heat. This thing's just ready for a road trip. Aubrey, I gotta tell you, this is one of the nicest cars I've ever driven in my life. It's like driving a brand new Cadillac, and it is so freaking cool. It's about 90 degrees here in Michigan today. We got the air on. This car is running at about $160, and we got power still. And everything on this car is just absolutely impeccable. It's perfect. It runs, drives, steers, brakes like a brand new car, and it's got plenty of power. It sounds awesome too. Don't forget, you can call me with any questions at 248-974-9513. You can also join us on Facebook at facebook.com Vanguard Motor Sales. Feel free, call us with any questions. If there's something special you're interested in, go to our website, vanguardmotorsales.com, and click the auto locator and plug in what you want, and we will give you a call when we get it in. At Vanguard Motor Sales, we're dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway. Thanks again for joining us today, and join us for our next pass.